Melting Pot versus Mosaic. Today, the melting pot concept has been entrenched into American society as a primary pattern of integrating immigrants. Melting pot describes a society where all individuals of all nations are melted into a mainstream national identity. Israel Zangel's 1906 play The Melting Pot was the first to introduce the term as a metaphor for the process of assimilation in the U.S. The play shows strands of people walking past the Statue of Liberty into a huge boiling pot. John Murray Gibbon's 1938 book, Canadian Mosaic, The Making of a Northern Nation, argues against the American idea of a cultural melting pot. He was one of the first to conceive Canada as a cultural mosaic in which different cultural identities coexist and contribute to a unified whole. A mosaic refers to a society that is diverse with many different ethnic groups, languages, and cultures that coexist alongside the dominant mainstream culture. The cultural mosaic ideology has greatly influenced Canada's immigration policies and multicultural attitudes throughout the 20th century. For instance, the Canadian Multicultural Act of 1988 states that all members of Canadian society have the freedom to preserve, enhance, and share their cultural heritage and recognize diversity as a key characteristic of Canadian identity. However, both concepts are not immune to drawback and have been widely criticized and praised. For example, melting pot has been criticized for simplifying identities by making everyone a part of one big national identity, when in reality, immigrants have transnational ties across borders to maintain a sense of home, belonging, and nostalgia that are essential to their identity. On the other hand, Milton Gordon's 1964 book, Assimilation in American Life, praises melting pot ideals, arguing that immigrants and their descendants should adopt the beliefs and norms of American culture in order to learn the traits and social practices necessary for acceptance. On the other end of the spectrum, Mosaic has been criticized because it does not recognize everyone equally. Some are valued more than others, while some are not recognized at all. For instance, Indigenous citizens are marginalized, while non-status individuals are non-existing. Furthermore, Mosaic has been criticized for fixing identities and races into categories, and normalizing problematic language of tolerance towards racialized populations. Overall, both concepts have greatly influenced the way Canada and the U.S. integrates immigrants into mainstream society, and both offer significant drawbacks and criticisms.